Hello guys! Aaj hum bana rahi hain Chane ka salan. Ingredients: take a pan. Pour oil as required. When oil gets hot, check it by putting wooden stick into it. Put onions in oil. Be careful. Fry the onions until the onion becomes golden brown. When onion became golden brown, add tomatoes. Now put ginger and garlic paste. Also add green chilies paste. Now mix it well until oil separates from mixture. Cover it if required. Mash it to mix it well. Add water if required. Mix it well so the mixture becomes good. Add salt to taste. Add half teaspoon turmeric. Add red chili powder as much you required or half teaspoon. Add garam masala. Add chickpea. In a ready mixture, it's ready.